Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. I'm Tony, and today I am about to have a little small snack, and I went to the Circle K, the local Circle K, and got some tornadoes. So I'm going to eat tornadoes. But what I got was, this is what I got. I'm not sure which ones I got, but I know they kind of look, they're still kind of hot. They wasn't hot when I got them. When I got them this morning, it was cold, so I came home and put them back in the toaster oven. Hope everybody's well. I'm doing good myself. And I have a Pepsi, cherry Pepsi. But let's talk about these tornadoes. When I got them from the store, the Circle K, they wasn't done. They wasn't done like they supposed to be, so I brought them home and put them back in the toaster oven. And they're still not great. I guess that's because I had to put them in the toaster oven. Well, please share with me with me and tell me your ideas about Circle K's tornadoes. Usually when I go to Circle K, they have the best tornadoes, but I don't know what's going on with these. They don't have a taste, like, there's no taste to them. There's no taste to them. I think it's some type of sausage, egg. I think it's like sausage, egg, and cheese. But it don't taste like it. It don't taste like sausage, egg, and cheese. It looks like sausage, egg, and cheese, but it don't taste like it. Look at that. I usually don't buy. Well, since COVID hit, I kind of stopped going out to eat because of COVID, because of sanitation. I don't trust everybody, especially during COVID. But I decided to go to Circle K and get some of these since I was already in that area. But it seems like I just waste my money because this is crap. There's no taste. There's no taste to them. They seem like they old, like they've been there forever, sitting there forever. I thought maybe when I come home put them back in the oven, that will kind of make them taste better, but they don't taste. There's no taste to them. Well, let me know in the comments your ideas about tornadoes. Like, have you had them? Are they good? Let me know in the comments. Again, I hope everybody's well. I hope that you are coping through this continued COVID. Hope everybody is coping with everything I'm trying to myself. This is just a big mess. Just a big mess because there's no taste. I just waste money. It seems like I just waste money when I bought these. There's no taste. They're not, it just seems like it just seems like I'm eating old food. It just seems like I'm eating leftovers. Seemed like it got worse seemed like the taste got worse when I put them in the oven. When I put them back in the oven to heat them up. Pepsi, Wild Cherry Pepsi, they are my favorite. Let me know about you. What you like, Cherry Pepsi? Let me know. And I thank everybody for watching my videos. Thank you for subscribing. I'm still trying to debate on what I want to put on this channel. But for now, I'm just showing you some of the stuff that I eat. Now, I don't eat all this on a regular basis, but I just want to make some videos. I'm not really sure what I want to make, but I had some tornadoes from Circle K today, and I'll give them a thumbs down because this is like old food. They just been sitting up here for days, just a mess. But I thank you so much for watching my video. Subscribe to the channel, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video.